Hey everyone, this is Jarrod Norris with Whissel Realty Group. I want to invite you to take a tour of this beautiful home located at 13813 Boquita Drive here in this beautiful city of Del Mar. So one of the cool features about this house is the big sliders that allow a lot of natural light and the awesome coastal breeze that comes right through the house. In the living room, there's a remodeled fireplace that allows for a really cool focal point. Another great feature is the openness of this house, all the way from the living room, past the kitchen, into the dining room. After spending the day at the beach, you can come and relax in your own hot tub and even grill some steaks on your own built-in barbecue. Another cool feature is this upstairs living space, giving you more room to entertain, featuring an awesome fireplace and even a view of the ocean. Right down the street off Camino Del Mar, you can enjoy a variety of shopping and places to eat at a lot of different restaurants. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you want more information, please give me a call.